How to use Zoom breakout rooms. So you're gonna have to make sure this setting is actually toggled on before you can actually use this. So first of all, you can only do this directly in your website. You won't be able to toggle this on your app, but once you're logged into the website version, go ahead to the left bar or the left tab and go to the My Account section. You can go ahead to your settings, which is right below the profile option, and you're gonna have to choose this, which is the meeting option. Then you're gonna have to choose the advanced in meeting option, and then you'll be able to see the breakout rooms for your meetings. So it will allow hosts to split meetings participants into separate and smaller rooms. So toggle that on. So once your settings have been updated, you can go to your app or just the website and start a Zoom call. In our case, we're just going to go ahead to our Zoom workplace and start our new meeting. So once it has started during the meeting, you can click the breakout rooms option or button inside here in the more section, and it should be usually found in the top rightmost option, the breakout rooms. So you could choose how many kinds of breakout rooms you like. Okay, so we're just gonna go with 10. We could assign automatically or manually, or you could let a participant choose the room. Then you can just go ahead and press on create. As you can see, you can assign if you'd like, but you can open all rooms. So after creating the rooms, you can open them to let participants join all their assigned sessions, broadcast messages to all the rooms, and even move between rooms as the host. Once the breakout rooms or the breakout section is over, you can simply close the rooms to bring everyone back to the main meeting. So breakout rooms are especially useful for maybe group discussions, workshops, or collaborative activities within the larger meetings. But that's pretty much how you use this feature in your Zoom video or Zoom meeting. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.